Hey guys, so I'm back doing an unboxing of a knife that I've ordered from Everest Blade. So yeah, here's a box, came today by DHL. One thing I will say is that DHL is super quick at delivering, so it took around 2.5 days to get here, which was pretty quick. So I peeled off some sensitive information. So yeah, as you can see, they've already cut open the box for customs and checked it, repackaged here. So yeah, let's get on to the unboxing. Alright, so here we go. So I present to you here the Norseman Bowie. This is made by Everest Blade in Nepal. Absolutely massive knife, as you can see. So let's begin and take it out. So it starts off, comes with a sheath. This is pretty soft buffalo leather. Comes with a belt, a blade clip, so you can hold it in, belt loop, and leg tie. I always wanted them to do the brass finish here, but next time I'll ask them because it looks a lot better in my opinion. Has brass here, nice look. So yeah, that's pretty much all there is to the sheath. Now let's go into the actual blade itself. So this blade, 14-inch long, about 7 mil thick, I would say, 6 or 7 mil. As you can see, it's a double Chirra, and it has a top sharpened blade, and also a bottom. Now the cut they've done, really nice, all even here. Nice tip here, quite thick. Awesome work, guys. Here's the handle, has an S shape, which is a nice look. It's almost like a mini sword. One thing I will say about this knife is it's very well balanced, and that has to do with the pommel ends here having the three, I don't know what they are, but I'll just say it's a weight back there, and that makes it quite balanced for the weight of the knife. Alright, it has a leather wrapped handle, as you can see. Really nice job. Just beautiful craftsmanship. Can't wait to polish it up and see how it looks afterwards. So here's a closer look. As you can see, it's still got the oil on it. So beautiful job, guys, as always. Oh, let's chuck this back in. Goes back in there. Clips on. So yeah, awesome knife. And you guys, if you want to buy one, I'll leave the link in the description. So thanks for watching, guys. So finished polishing up the knife. Here's a look at it. As you can see, absolutely brilliantly polished, shiny, pretty much, almost mirror finish. In fact, it is. You can see my phone. Beautiful job, guys. I just keep on getting more and more impressed of the work of Everest Blade, so keep on doing what you're doing, and I'll keep on buying. So anyway, thanks for watching, guys, and peace out.